We're getting closer and closer to full TP. Value gap here that got tapped into, right? I want to talk about risk management. All right, so we got the ground beef all seasoned or whatever. We got the rice cooking. Literally all about patience. If you put everything together, letting the trade play out and having patience to let the trade play out, you will be profitable. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in life. And today it is the last day of the trading week. It is Friday. It is the 23rd, I believe. Let me see real quick, my bad. The 24th, actually. Yesterday we had a good trading day. We made around $1,500. A beautiful trade. I hope you guys had a good trading session yesterday, but now we're gonna lock in and get on the charts and get this trading session done with. Win or lose, I will give you guys a trade breakdown on this trade. We're all bullish today. We've seen these two rejecting candles. I want to see price fall a little bit more to retrace a little bit more, and we can go in for longs. But we do have PMI at 9:45 and existing home sales at 10 a.m. So we are in US 30 longs. I entered at this green line, but we got filled in on top a little more, so we're on a little bit of drawdown. 50 tick stop loss. This is, we're gonna see what happens. We lose, we get off, we win, and that's all. $50 right now. Just gonna see what happens. We're gonna keep waiting for this up to 100. This is probably gonna be the last trade. If we take a dub or we take a L, it's gonna be the last trade of the week. All right, so right now we're just consolidating right now. Hopefully we can consolidate and head up, not consolidate and head down. We is coming closer and closer to TP. I'm bugging. Break even. So we're gonna see what happens. We get stopped out, break even. We're good for the day, and I'm getting off this computer. Been in this trade for a long time. It's 10:42. We're still in this trade. We ended up going down 400 in consolidation, but now we're back up to 700. So we're gonna see what happens. 30 shit. It shitted. So we're gonna get stopped out at like $50 profit or whatever. I'm so tired. I've been holding this for a long time, so at this point I don't even care which way I go, but it might just reverse right here. So I'm saying, look at that. Now it's starting to get some volume, man. I don't know, I don't even care at this point. Just let's hit stop loss or take profit. Price action is choppy as hell. Now we almost back at TP1. It's some crazy. Anyway, I'm not gonna pick up the camera until we hit stop loss or take profit. So I said I know I was gonna pick up the camera once it hits TP or stop loss, but we are up 1,000. I am gonna put stop loss right here, because at this point, if price comes down here one more time, that means we're done. We broke structure every single, like, we have market structure trending, but price is being stupid today and just ranging. So as we come back to this level, that's it. I'm getting out. I secure some profits today, you know what I'm saying? But we up. We get in there, we is almost there. Look, what the hell? Like, why is price action being like that? It hasn't even taken out no highs, no nothing. Like, come on. So close, but so far, yo. Come on. Let's get it. Once this trade hits, I am on. We getting closer and closer to full TP. Y'all see it? Let me show you guys on the phone real quick. We is right there. Come on, focus, hit TP. Finally, we hit TP. We are out of here. We are done. Fuck you. You guys can't see the trading session is over. We made another $1,500 today. That puts us up to 4,000 total on the total challenge. $5,000 left on the challenge, which is like 3 to 4 or 5 days of me trading, of actually winning. But listen, besides that trade took a while to play out. But that's why we need to have patience. And when you have patience, things go your way. Patience is one of the most things people struggle with. Anyway, more on that later when we talk about risk management. But now I'm gonna go to the gym early today. It is only, let me see, because I'm recording a little. It is only 2:41. I usually go to the gym around 8, 2:10, whatever. But now I'm going at 2:41 because tomorrow I do have work and I want to get a good night's rest for tonight.
Yo, Bash, you been tripping on them hoes.
Just finished up at the gym. Now I'm gonna go head to the grocery store, pick up some more ground beef and avocados because I ran out of ground beef and avocado, and I need rice as well. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna pick up the camera when I'm home. Went to the store, we ended up picking up avocado, rice. There was no ground beef, but we did get 8 canned tunas. These are a cheat code, 140 calories with 33 grams of protein in it. Crazy. All right, so moving on to the trade recap. We just fix you guys real quick over here. We are good, let's go. All right, so obviously we traded US30 today, like we always do. We stopped trading NASDAQ and ES. We moved on to US30. As you guys can see, the balance, you guys can't see the balance down here. You guys can see that. As you guys can see here though, let me fix this this entry point right here. It was 50 ticks. We'll fix it after. Anyway, let's go on to the 1 hour. Okay, so let's go on to the 8. Let me see. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. The o'clock candle, because that's the candle that we have. I know it says, I know we trade at 9 o'clock, but it's 8 o'clock for TradingView. I don't know why. All right, so we move on to the 4 hour, right? Before market open. This is before market open. So we mark out this fair value gap here that got tapped into, right? Okay, we go on to the 1 hour. So as you guys can see, this fair value gap gets tapped into perfectly, right? All right, let me take this out of the way. This fair value gap gets tapped into perfectly. So I like these rejections out of this fair value gap because I traded at 10. I believe at 10 because I was afraid that news would, like, you know, do some shit to it. So I waited till 10 because of PMI and home sales. So we tapped into this fair value gap beautifully. Obviously we closed here, we came down, we saw rejections out. So I was like, okay, I like longs from here because 4 hour was a strong, the 4 hour time frame, the 4 hour fair value gap was a strong, like, you know, buying confluence for me. So what I did was we got into this fair value gap here. We saw some rejection. I got in literally right at this candle. As soon as it started to retrace, obviously 100 ticks and 50 ticks right there. So as soon as we got in, there was a little bit, not even drawdown at all. There was little to no drawdown. And at this point, what I like to do, I like to go down to the 1 minute, of course, because I like the adrenaline rush that trading gives me. But we can just move this to the side and see where we got our position, exited it. There we go. All right. So this is 100 ticks. So yeah, so basically we entered, and as you guys can see, we started moving up. We had a big move up. Then we had a move down. Then we had consolidation, then a move down again. At this point, my stop loss was at break even. Hold on, I'm confused. Hold on, bro. Hold on. My bad, I messed up on the entry. I don't know exactly where I entered, but this was the trade. This was pretty much the trade because my stop loss was at break even at one point, but I'm pretty sure I didn't enter at 9:01. I entered like at 10 something. So probably around like this area, or even like, yeah. So it was right here, around this area, because I know I had space for my take profit to go, and that's where it was. That's exactly where it was. There you go. So we had a bunch of consolidation in this area right here in this range that I did not like, but that's why we stayed patient and we caught the W. We got the W, and after we got the W, literally, look what it did. Reversed like crazy, and we ended up bearish on the day. That's pretty much it. Basically, waited for it to be traded into a fair value gap, saw this beautiful rejection that I liked. We basically caught this candle right here. We wrote it, and that's it. That's pretty much it. All right, so I want to talk about risk management. All right, managing your risk when taking trades, because a lot of you guys over leverage. Don't get me wrong, I do it to this day, even though you guys see me winning. Still human. I over leverage sometimes. I over trade sometimes. You know, it happens. You really want to manage your risk, because managing your risk is one of the key elements to profitability. So how you calculate your risk, let's say you have a funded account with $150,000 that you need to pass, and the profit goal is $9,000. And the liquidation point is $6,500, right? So what we do there, we take the contract size that you were gonna trade with, that you're comfortable risking. So for me personally, I risk three contracts, which equals to, for me, I only risk 50 ticks. So I risk $750. For you, it could be different. If you're on a 50K account, 75K account, 100K account, you guys gotta figure that out. For me, I want to pass the funded challenge as fast as possible. How am I going to do that? By having risk management on the table. So I want to finish my challenge in a week, 2 weeks. So what I do, I risk 750 to make 1500. I personally never go for a one-to-one risk reward. Let's say you have 2 losing days in a row, right? And the next day you win. You're still down 1 losing day. But for me, since I go for a 1-to-2, let's say I lose 2 days in a row, my one trade that I win puts me back up to that break-even point. I am currently editing this video right now. Where'd my earring go? What the fuck? Oh, okay, I'm currently editing this video right now. I did end up recording the trade recap as well. But this is where I'm gonna end off the video, you know? The video is already pretty long itself. I don't wanna make it too long. I don't wanna bore you guys. But we'll be back trading on Monday. We'll probably not record on Monday, but we'll record on Tuesday. But we will be back trading on Monday. So if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.